ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a two-part series. Just want to break this down quick and effectively for those out there that want to get acclimated in regards to AgroFunds. AgroFunds is a new investment platform that I have been personally introduced to about a week or so ago. Placed $500 in this platform. It has paid out. Well, I basically did 2 withdrawals of $60. But before I go into that in that second video, that'll be the back end. Let's talk about what this particular is. This is a high yield investment platform. It's 6% daily, 10% if you are a high risk, high spender, high investor, whale of that sort. However, let's talk about some of the significant advantages and what this actual particular company does. So let's get into the nitty gritty. What is this about this company? What's going on? Prospects for global development of all oil industries are based of constant and high demand for raw hydrocarbons. Alternative energy sources are in initial stages of development and are currently unable to compete with all oil industries. Low prices and explorations of new deposits and promises further active development of the industry for more than a dozen years. AgroFunds is one of the largest suppliers of oil products in the European and Asian markets. This is the largest team of over 5,000 employees. Wow, 5,000 employees, really? If there's 5,000 employees actively within this ecosystem, honestly, we should be able to find some information on the internet, and that could be furthermore other research in regards to this platform. But we won't dive into that now. We're going to still just kind of peel back this onion or peel back this banana, so to speak. Let's talk about some of the stuff that they're talking about on their particular front page. What is oil refining process? Well, ladies and gentlemen, investors, oil refining is the process of production of various kinds of fuel and processed raw materials, which consist of following stages: oil treatment, atom extraction, basically what this is saying in a sense, and it's going to give you a lot of different technical details. That's why I say do your own due diligence. It's going to give you a lot of technical details that lead up to the fact that at the end of the day, this is not a trading type of platform. This is specifically hardcore men, a 5,000 employee company hedging your funds with their services to provide a 6% daily profitability. Looks like they have certificates here. Not sure how much or less those can be considered accurate, but consider this as due diligence. The government.uk looks agro limited here. Well, it looks like it's been placed in here, and it's got everything all the way back from 2015. Annual return made up to 2015 with full list of shareholders, statements of capital, and blah blah. So got a PDF here that lists all the way back to 2015. Wow. Holy moly, macaroni. Well, with that being said, Agro Limited seems to be showing you a little bit of transparency of the paperwork that they have to offer when it comes to their platform. And obviously that's what we need in this space. We need transparency, and you can be able to look at some more of your due diligence by simply clicking on FAQs. I know there's a lot of FAQs that they have here, top to bottom, just to go into a couple of them. For example, how do I become an investor? Well, the first and foremost thing is the registration process, which is why you have that on the far right upside for login or select language. To get your language is go into the process to register. But after you register on the website, well, you get your rights for the investor and automatically become a partner. So it's a simple registration process. Simply, if you click on login there, you click on registration, right? And I'll try to fix this up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. And then basically just gonna ask you your name, username, user and password, and email there. You can go ahead and just type that right in. Bada bing, bada boom. That'll get you right in the system. You're going to have a little selected notes as degree of the terms and conditions or rule sets of this particular ecosystem or platform. And bam, you get cooking and start getting some money. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, this is a 2-part video. I'm probably gonna release this back to back. I want to make these a little shorter here, but just have the still concise information for you guys out there, just so you guys on the roll. And time is money, money is time, and I don't want to take away too much of your money of your time either. So if you're interested in learning more about this particular platform, look at the part 2 series on this. I'm going to drop it at the same time. Just look at part 1, part 2, bada bing, bada boom. Hopefully you have a wonderful, blessed day. Stay tuned for part 2. If you don't see part 2, then my name's Low Keep Money. This is simply a journey that I'm just particularly, taking into. This is entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So if you decide to take this risk, then this is on your own decisions, not mine. All right, guys, you guys stay due diligence, up and savvy, and I will see you on the other side. But now, part 2.